Hello, creatures of the night, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any videos this Halloween season. So anyways, today's video is going to be a DIY kind of slash how-to maybe sort of thing to like a Halloween themed DIY pretty much. So what you're going to need is some molding clay. And you're just going to open it. You might need scissors. And we're using the white. I'm pretty sure this is air dry, but I could be wrong, so you might have to bake it. So we're just going to kind of work with the clay. Work with it, and you're going to kind of break off a piece or two. Then you're going to kind of mold it into like a ghost shape. Mold it into a ghost shape. If it breaks, it breaks. You can redo it. So let's redo that. So you're just going to kind of mold it into like a ghost shape. You also... So you're going to take your clay and you're going to mold it into a ghost shape. Or as good of a ghost shape as you can get it. And also, if comments are on, comment if this looks like a ghost so far. So anyways, this is what it kind of looks like. So you can always kind of... Then you will need black paint. But you're just going to let this dry until... And then you can kind of smooth it out some with your fingers if you want. Or like add what you want. So anyways, I think that kind of looks like a ghost. What do you guys think? Comment if you think this looks like a ghost so far. See, it looks probably better on this side. So now we're just going to let that dry out and then... We will be back with the paint part and then I'll show you that. Anyways, so don't forget to like and subscribe. After that part, you can kind of poke your fingers down where you want the eyes and the mouth to be. So anyways, I'm going to use glitter for the eyes and the mouth. I'm going to use purple or use black. And then I have some glow in the dark nail polish I got from the Dollar Tree. It is white that I'm going to use. And also some, just like some clear nail polish glitter. So what you're going to do, we're going to start by taking the glow-in-the-dark nail polish and just paint it all over after it's dried out. So it will be glow-in-the-dark, or you can use the glow-in-the-dark paint. It's just whatever preferences, and I'm going to move this camera real quick here so you can kind of see what I'm doing better maybe. Might zoom out just a little bit. Just kind of give it a layer of paint. I mean nail polish or paint or whatever. So just kind of paint that all over. So it's end up going to be glow in the dark. Okay, so. Then on top of that, I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. But before I do that, I'm going to take the glitter for the eyes and stuff that I'm using and sprinkle that in. It doesn't have to be perfect. Oops, I didn't mean to do that much, but okay. Then if you have a paintbrush or something or whatever, you can, if you have a little bit too much glitter for what you want, you can just kind of pat it off or scrape it off. Or if you like it, you can also grab like a nail file if you like it. I think it looks cute like that. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's Halloween. You can leave it like that. And then you're going to add the glitter nail polish over top of the glow in the dark. And then you have a really cute DIY Halloween ghost. You can also use glitter paint. Or like mix glow in the dark and glitter paint together. But I just decided to use this. Comment down below if you like my ghost. Or comment a ghost emoji or whatever they're called. The ghosts like little things that you can comment. So anyways, I think it looks really cute so far. Anyways, that was what it looks like, and hopefully it glows in the dark. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not already. And if you're seeing this video, might as well hit that like and subscribe. And if you're trying to subscribe, thank you so much. See y'all, have a great, beautiful, wonderful day, and happy Halloween!